In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert individual KD blocks from other DWG files in AutoCAD. If you've been looking for a quick and efficient way to transfer blocks between files, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process, making sure you understand each step clearly and feel confident about implementing it on your own. First, let's talk about the beauty of working with CAD blocks. These are not only essential for organizing your drawings, but also for saving you a great deal of time. With the method I'm about to show you, you'll be able to seamlessly copy blocks from one file to another with just a few clicks, ensuring your projects stay efficient and precise. So here's what you need to do. Start by opening both of the DWG files you're working with in AutoCAD. This is crucial because having both files open simultaneously allows you to move smoothly between them without any disruption. Now, once you've got both files up, head over to the file that contains the block you want to copy. It could be a drawing of anything, architectural, mechanical, or just a graphic element you might need elsewhere. Next, you're going to select the block you need. This is where AutoCAD's functionality makes life so much easier. With the block selected, you have two main options for copying. The first option is to simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy the block in its entirety. But there's also a handy alternative, pressing Ctrl+Shift+C. This option allows you to copy the block with a reference point, which can be incredibly useful if you need to ensure the block's alignment in the new file is just right. Once you've copied the block using one of these methods, it's time to switch over to the DWG file you want to paste it into. Make sure this is the file where the block will truly benefit your design work or presentation. When you're in the target DWG file, paste the block using Ctrl+V. It's as simple as that. The block appears, ready for you to position it exactly where you want in your drawing. And there we go. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully transferred a block from one AutoCAD file to another. Remember, this method is not only fast, but also retains all attributes and settings of the original block, ensuring that your work remains as polished as you intended. This process can definitely become a regular part of your workflow as you juggle multiple designs, making sure each project benefits from all resources you've previously created. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing with AutoCAD.